Zyxel Nebula access points are managed from the cloud through the Nebula Control Center. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Nebula access points keep running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through two standard mechanisms Nebula already supports: external captive portal and radius. It does not replace any of your Zyxel kit. First, in the Nebula Control Center, you point the SSID's captive portal at Purple instead of granting access straight away. A new device is redirected to your Purple splash page, the visitor signs in, and control returns to Nebula. Second, Nebula checks each sign-in against Purple's radius service on the standard ports, with accounting data powering your visitor analytics. A walled garden lets the splash page load, and any payment or social login steps complete. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.